GOTGC.
Pilot, what special steps will we need for this assignment?
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Ah! Yeah!
Roll them and roll them.
Still in the pan. Woohoo! Yeah.
Touchdown!
We can
Touchdown!
step inside the
He's
door.
throwing it away. Amber's taught him to throw it in the air.
I'm a good boy.
Rest assured.
Roll them, roll them. Pat a kick, pat a kick.
Throw it in the air.
Bye.
Where's your hair? Joshua, where's your hair?